Hey, we've got another Corvette from my father's Corvette collection of C2s. This is a special car. It's the coupe that we really love, and it's a 4-speed with the 350 horsepower and it has factory air conditioning. In addition to that, power windows, power antenna, teak wood wheel, knockoff wheels, 336 posi, off-road exhaust. Car's got a lot going for it, and it's in rare trophy blue. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can check out 200 cars. Each one has a price tag and a finance payment with it as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the fiberglass looks to be in really nice shape. It all fits nice. It's straight. The headlights are lined up really well. Just a good looking car. This is all nice. No damage here showing. All this is real nice, clean. Looking good. There's a chip in the paint way down at the bottom, touched up. And it does have stress cracks right on the pillars on each side. Door shuts beautifully. You have this rib that comes all the way down. The boat tail here with the curved window. We like the coupes, the design, the shape. I think it's better than the convertibles. They're more rare than the convertibles, harder to find, more desirable. All this is looking real good. All this is looking good. The body and paint looks to be an older restoration. I mean, it shows really well. It's gorgeous. Yeah, like I said, here's a crack here, but not at the top. It's a typical place, they stress. Door shuts nice. Now the door has to fit all the way around, right up into the roof. It fits really well. And it is trophy blue, like I had said. That's a pretty rare color. It is laid out evenly. Glossy, must have a clear coat finish. Headlights do open and close. Here's a little hairline crack, also a typical spot, usually at these corners. There's one right here, and that's it. Has the knockoff wheels. They look like they're new with some radial tires. Nice cross flag emblems. Windshield is very nice and clear. The moldings are real nice. Door handles are a 7. Original rear glass. The air conditioning was so rare in a Corvette coupe back then, Chevrolet would put a sticker in the window, air conditioned. It was worth bragging about. Today you just expect it in your cars. The gas door looks like it's new. The bumpers, probably an 8 out of 10. Tail lights have been replaced. That is a factory power antenna. Has the little bow tie on the mirror, which is correct. These emblems look like, well, that one looks new. This one just looks very good, we'll call it. Front bumpers look like they're a 9 or a 10. So that's the outside. Let's open it up, see the inside. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. We're posting lots of great shorts and lots of great videos, test drives. Yeah, you'll find a test drive of this car on our YouTube channel, or just go to our website. All the videos and information, prices, all attached to each individual car. That's volocars.com. So the jambs look nice. The weather strips look to be in real good shape. The interior is restored recently. Door panels look like they're all new. And then coming inside here, the dash pads are new. The instrument panel's in excellent shape. All of the gauges are pristine. All factory gauges. All the trim up here in the middle is nice. Now you can tell by looking in a Corvette, it has air because it has these 2 extra knobs and a vent right up here on top. This dash pad is new. The glove box door looks new. The light works. The liner looks nice. This is our inspection sheet when it went through our shop. The lights work underneath, and here's the other AC vent. All new carpet front to back. Original AM/FM radio here in the middle. All the gauges work too, by the way, except for the clock. It's right twice a day. So the center console's in very nice shape, has the correct reverse lockout shifter. And look at this, power windows. It has original Chevy seat belts. Now the seats have been rebuilt. Look how firm and tight they are. All new cushions, all new upholstery. all in real nice shape. And then looking in the back, all the carpet's been redone. And then all the trim overhead, the light works, the headliner looks new, all looking nice. The mirror looks real nice. And it has a genuine teak wood wheel. This is not the plastic, that's an actual wood wheel. Oh, I forgot to put the pedal pad back on the clutch. It fell off as I was pulling in here. So yeah, the interior of the car is very, very nice. Lots of options. Don't take that lightly. Don't compare this to a car without these options. Now this is a 350 horse motor, so that's the higher horse engine. They were 300 horsepower. This is 350, and it is all numbers matching. So it has a little higher compression, I think a little different cam, aluminum intake up on top, open element air cleaner, and then the finned valve covers were part of the package. Also has the correct ignition shielding, upper and lower. We have power brakes. Power steering is hiding behind the alternator. Everything looks clean and proper. The right hose, the right clamps, the right radiator, the right clutch fan. Again, factory air conditioning. This one I can tell has been updated with the newer Freon. And here's the expansion tank, part of the cooling system. Looks like the right hoses and clamps. So just in here, 350 horse, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning. There's 4 very desirable options right there. And then behind us, just a little board put together. Here's the numbers and codes, owner's manual, just something to have. People ask you about the numbers. There you go. All right, let's talk about the underside. So underneath, the car is very clean. Does have independent front and rear suspension. A lot of that looks like it's been redone, including the steering as well. A lot of new bushings, things that look fresh. It is disc brakes at all 4 wheels. Calipers were replaced not that long ago. The hoses, the lines, all that looks fresh. It has a new off-road dual exhaust system, reproduction. The off-road exhaust, just a little freer flowing, a little better sounding, a little throatier. That's all new. You look up at the motor, it's clean Chevy orange. The starter looks clean. It's the canister type oil filter it's supposed to have. The correct Muncie transmission. The correct 336 posi rear end. That's another option. It's all dated to this car. Fiberglass floors and the frame all looks good. Has the spare tire carrier under the back. So all clean and complete. You can tell it's been maintained and serviced. Very nice car, loaded with options, great color. Go to volocars.com. The salesman will help answer your questions. They'll help get this delivered to your door and get it financed. Thanks for watching.